Get it pretty much.
You want the top
that far down.
Because it was on the British tank in the 1950s. All the wires in it are white. And all the plugs. So all we've got is over 1,000 wires, and we have to try and
Stuff goes on methodically, don't you?
one by one. It's the only way to do it. It
trace
takes
them through,
a long time.
Where have you got to with this?
Well, we've got the engine bay back to as it virtually left the factory. We have found all the missing parts. We fitted them all to make certain they fit, and then at a later date we'll take the whole engine out, probably the body off, and redo the whole thing, but we want to make certain it's right before we do it. Interior wise, it's going back to the old factory buildings to have the seats repaired and redone, the bright yellow door cards replaced with black leather, which they originally were, and a new hood to replace this one because you can't see out the back window. It's so opaque. And then when that's done, we've just got to repair the metalwork, and that is basically get the outrigger removed and the new outrigger put in its place. The other side is perfect, it's like new. That is basically it. That is what's left to do to keep the car running to go to shows. But then, in about a couple of years' time, the idea is then to take it all apart, do the chassis, the rest of the chassis, do the body, and then put it all back in together again so it's fully restored. That's one of the ideas we've got to do it. One of the ideas. But that's the one I'm going for at the moment.
How many TVRs have you got in your collection now?
I've reduced it actually to 6. I've gone from 9 of 2 years ago down to 6, purely because it's a more manageable number. I've got another couple of cars around, but I've only acquired to actually sell or move on to other people. But I've only got 6 in my own personal real core collection.